Tools needed for assembly. You will need an 8, a 6, a 5, and a 4mm Allen key, a Phillips head screwdriver, an 8, a 10, and a 15mm wrench.
To install the pedals, you'll want the threads to go in nice and smooth.
To identify your pedals between right and left, you'll want to have a look at the back side of the pedal thread. There should be an L and an R imprinted on the pedal. Apply a liberal amount of grease to both pedal threads. For the drive side pedal, you're going to insert it and rotate the pedal clockwise. The pedal thread should engage smoothly and you should be able to turn it by hand. If you cannot turn it by hand, you may have it cross-threaded and you'll want to restart the process. To finish the process, you'll want to grab your 15mm wrench and engage the thread until you feel the tension increase. The torque spec is 20 Nm. For the left pedal, repeat the process, but instead rotate the pedal counterclockwise. Again, insert smoothly, or you may have it cross-threaded. And there you have it. You've installed your pedals correctly.